These are the elevators at the Allegheny subway stop, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm gonna grab the single speed one. Going up. P. The door close button works. Here we are at P. Let's get a view. I'll let the elevator go. See, look, there's the Steelers Stadium, Acrisure Stadium. Some escalators, but there's the subway train thing right there. I want to grab the 2-speed door one. Speaking of, it's already up here. That fan is kind of annoying. So there's a mezzanine level. Well, if you guys like the video, smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't you forget to hype the video. Here at the Allegheny subway stop. Here we are at S. That's it.